Today we're making some delicious beef burritos with a homemade spicy green sauce and flour tortillas made from scratch. So we're gonna start out with the flour tortillas. I have a detailed video on how to make these on my channel, so feel free to check that out. I will leave a link below. The reason I make the tortillas first is because you have to let them sit for at least 10 minutes before you roll them out and cook them. So I just make them before everything else and I just let them sit while I get everything else ready. Next we're gonna work on the salsa. So I just boiled 5 serrano peppers for about 10 minutes or until they turn dark green. And then once they're ready, I put them into the blender with some cilantro, onion, a piece of garlic, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, also a big spoonful of the water that you cook the peppers in. I also like to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I use the Mexican sour cream, and also 1 whole avocado. I use avocado and sour cream to kind of cut down the spice and also to give it a nice creamy texture. Next we're making the beef. So I just made the most simple ground beef ever, just salt and pepper. If you want, add any spices that you like cayenne for example, or onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you like on your ground beef. And now we're just rolling out the tortillas so that we can get ready to put everything together. Last but not least, we're just cutting up some fresh veggies like tomato, lettuce, anything that you like to add to your burrito to kind of give it a good crunch texture feeling. But yeah, just add whatever kind of veggies you like. Once everything is prepared, then you can put it all together. I also added some sour cream, avocado, and the green sauce inside the burrito, and you just want to wrap it up. Not too tightly though, because your flour tortillas might rip, but you just do your best. I also have here some Mexican rice and black beans, which I also have recipes on my channel if you want to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.